Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 2, which show the following could be an expression for f of x. So, if you're talking about a rational function, that means we're talking about numerator and the denominator. We have a and b, for instance, for this rational function. And the vertical asymptote, when you're talking about a vertical asymptote, we're talking about the denominator. Okay, so in the denominator we must have an expression that is going to give us 2 when we solve it for x by making it equal to 0. So which is x minus 2, because when you solve x minus 2 by making it equal to 0, that is going to give you 2. Therefore, and when you look at the choices, we're looking at the choices and we're looking for denominators with x minus 2 in it. In choice A, we don't have x minus 2. Choice B, we have x minus 2. This x plus 5 start cancelling each other out and turns into x minus 7 over x minus 2, which is exactly what we're looking for. And this one doesn't have x minus 2, neither this one x minus 2. So this is x plus 2. Therefore, C and D are not the answer, neither the A, but the choice B will be the answer for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.